Alright, there was something we forgot to put on, and that's this little piece here. Just did it off camera, no big deal. So now I'm ready to hang this thing. So this should be entertaining too. Watching a one-handed person hang this part here. I don't know, maybe it won't be tough, who knows. Oh, and it wasn't tough. Look how nice that is. That went pretty nice. So the next thing I'm going to be doing before I mount everything, the base, is I got to cut some wires and then hook in the wireless controller. So do that now. Let's take a look here. Give myself a little wiggle room. I will cut them there. Great wire strippers. Got them Harbor Freight Special. Great wire strippers though. Make it very easy. So if you've seen in any of my previous videos, the way I hold wires is I look for if there's a wall or a ceiling or something, that's how I hold it so I can do the stripping or the wire nuts or whatever it is. I think it's a talent. I think it's a talent that more people should learn. Nah, just kidding. No one has to learn that. But it's all good. Look how quick and easy that is. So very nice. I'm very excited about that. Very nice. So now the controller. Let's take a look here. They've already got the wires cut. Let me just kind of cinch them up a little bit. I should have done it to those two. And I think I will. So let me cinch those up. I definitely didn't do the white here. I didn't do any of them. I'm lazy. I want my 5-finger discount right now. Okay. Let's see. Let's start with blue. Again, if you've seen some of these videos, I have a blooper. You got to check out my blooper. I haven't some of the other ones. I had a little bit of a mishap trying to put the wire nuts on a different project, but I was able to get it. So kind of put them together, and just try to curl them together a little bit just to kind of start it. And let's take a look. Hopefully we have success on this. Yep, look at that. Very exciting. Nothing more exciting for a one-handed person than successfully using wire nuts. Okay, so now I'm going to do the white wire and kind of put these wires together. Look, if I can do this, you can do this, right? Have a little confidence, have some fun. Put up a ceiling fan with one hand. It's a nice Saturday project. Who knows, maybe it bled into Tuesday. Nah, it's still Saturday. It's still the same day I started. Let's see the wire nuts. And what color do I have left? I have the black to do. So let me do the black. Now everything's getting in my way. Get out of here. Get out of here, wires. Okay. Get those together a little bit. And get the wire nut on. Holding two wires, a wire nut, and twisting with one hand is, I say it's challenging, but then I just kind of knock it out of the park, if you don't mind me saying so. So now I gotta do the power to the controller. All right, this one should be loads of fun. This is where it gets a little bit challenging. I'll put one wire in first, and then I put the second one in. Kind of just push it up. Usually I have success. Let's see if I have success this time. I do. Very lucky. All right, let's do the black one. And if I get the black one, what I am probably going to do is then just do the green wire off camera, because I know this part is running a little long, but it is what it is. I'm still going to have to do it. Okay, yeah, put the one wire in. Like I said, I just kind of stick it in as far as it'll go into the wire nut, and then twist and hope for success. And not getting any this time. See, it doesn't always work out perfectly. I'm going to try a different wire nut. See if that helps. This is the way it goes, man. It doesn't always go perfect. Sometimes these things want to fight you, but you just got to keep going. Keep trying. Because it'll be up. I will get this done. There's no question about it. It might be this year. Who knows? Okay, that's the goal. Always have to have these goals. Oh, I got this one, it looks like. All right, got it. All right, so I'm going to put the neutral wire, the green wire, I'll do that separately, and I'll fit that through, and we'll come back in just a second. All right, here goes nothing. I'm going to try to put these fan blades up, and they bolt on up here, so that's going to make it very interesting. So it's meant to hide all of the hardware, all the screws. It's kind of a neat design, but it doesn't mean it makes it any easier, especially for me. But you know what? Like I said, throughout this whole video, I'll figure out a way. My video is 2 hours long. You know that I didn't think anything too quickly, but I'll figure it out. Ooh, gosh, did I nail that one that quickly? If I did, I'm very surprised. I did. I got that one in. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I didn't tighten it all the way because there needs to be a little bit of movement so I can make sure I get the other the hole for the screw. And so I just need to move it around until I find it. Again, always a fun part. Let's take a look. I may have gotten it. You know, sometimes it's great when your screwdriver is magnetic. Sometimes it sucks because, you know, you have everything set, and you put your screwdriver on there, and the screw wants to come meet it. And if I can't start this thing, it just makes it a little bit more difficult, but it looks like I got it, and I definitely got it. I am surprised. I thought this was going to be a little bit harder. You never know. You just, like I said, I keep saying it, man, you just got to do it. You got to try it. You got to make it work. All right. So as you can tell, I'm able to do these things. So I will do the rest. I'll do the rest right now, but we'll go through that kind of quick. Okay, the next thing to do is get the light fixture up, and to do that I got to take out one of these screws that helps hold the bracket for the entire light. One of these come out completely, and I think you've seen in other videos, if you've seen it, the way I hold a screwdriver is that way. It feels completely natural to me. Of course, when I watch it on video, I think it looks weird. I'm sure everyone else does too, but sometimes you don't know until you see it yourself. This has to be fed through the center. And then there's there's 3 holes to line up the screws, and they have to line up. I should have a light up here. There we go. And of course I dropped the screw. It's right there. Got my assistant helping me. Giving me a hand, literally, not even figuratively. See, these things happen. You drop screws. Happens to all of us. Just try it though, man. Just go. Just challenge yourself to do new things. This is nice plug and play little apparatus. Let's see. How does this go? Looks like it goes this way. Looks like it goes this way. And I'm right. Snapped right in. There we go. But there we go. I'll get those screws tightened up, and then the next thing we'll do is we'll put the fixture on. We'll put the cover on. Pardon me. Last thing to do before we turn it on and make sure it works is put this light cover on. So let's do that. You just put it on according to the instructions, and you turn it clockwise. That should be it. That's on. Looks good. Let's try turning it on. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's see if this thing works. I'll do the light first. Let there be light. Perfect. And let's try the fan. Hopefully I won't hit my head. There we go. I didn't know what to hit. First time I ever tried this thing. Nice. I like this. Well, cool. Did it. Single-handedly. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. And please subscribe to my channel. I show everyone how they could do things regardless of what their situation is. We all need to believe in ourselves. Thank you so much.